going to be a clear start. So.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, go! So that's non-spinners, isn't it?
Yep. Yep, you got that?
Yep.
We're in now.
30 seconds to start.
Yep. Krakatau's way over, or was she? Oh, she was non-spinnaker.
Non-spinnaker, 5 minutes late. Wendell, can I get you to stand up and do the horn? Because then I can do the 2 flags at the same time. Oh. They're just there and reach up. Yep. Don't pull it, obviously.
What's our timing?
Oh, okay.
What's our time? What's our timing?
5 to go.
5 to go.
5,
I can do it.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time.
Clear start.
Nice work.
Oh, that was the start.
That was a good one.
That was the horn action, I think. 1, 3,
Next one is P flag up in 50 seconds time.
Okay.
Must change them for next year.
So I'm putting this down now.
There you go.
There's a second.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. That would be clear.
I think it's clear. I'll just got to pan back.
You're a cruel man.
Oh, hang on. There's a second one. He's back there. That's right.
Okay, we have Australia Day Regatta on, guess what, 26th of January, and we have, it's a single race. We've got about 18 boats on the start line, coming up in about 50 seconds. At the moment the line is clear. We have a moth heading towards the pin end. Wind strength at the moment is about 10 knots. We've just had a huge change from the southeast to the east. 30 seconds to go. We've got a pile of boats up behind the start boat, and we've got an aero that's closing the door and going to try and prevent these guys from coming through. 15 to go. Nearest boat at the far end, 9228. Nearest one this end, 885. We're all clear at the moment. 3, 2, 1. Clear start. Nice work to the moth. Decided they were going to get pushed over. Oh, sorry, laser. Clear start, we're away. So, second start for the centreborders. Australia Day. We have 2 flying 11s and 3 open skiffs coming up. And everyone needs to look at me. Start team, say hello. Oh yeah, woo. 30 seconds to start. Nearest boat to the line, 1388. Down behind them, 1294. Need to get up onto the line. Yep, 20 seconds, get going. Nearest to the line, 10. Open skiff, 853.
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beautiful, clear start.
I think you'll have to do it again next week.